This is the 5-piece stainless steel reusable straws with the silicone tips and a cleaning brush. And so the actual ones are like this black stainless steel, which I kind of like about it because it looks a little different than the standard silver one. And then all these tips come separate, and they're just in the bottom, and they're very rubbery. You can see easy to chew on or flexible so that you're not like chewing straight on metals, which is, I think, probably better for your teeth, but who knows. And then it also comes with a cleaning brush for the straws that's definitely long enough. It comes in a little box. And so I put one on so you can kind of see how it is. So these are the really tall ones because we have those really tall 40-ounce tumblers, and this goes in them. And so it just kind of pops in, and you can see that it curves slightly so that when you're drinking, you don't like have to put your face right above or tilt the glass. So good quality, and actually really impressed by these.